I fell in love with it totally. I didn't actually go to any other open day whatsoever.
You should come along to a USW Open Day because you get to see everything that we have on offer, and you can meet current staff and current student ambassadors as well.
I came to an open day for both law and business management. I actually met the course leader that I have now.
You get to meet the amazing lecturers that we have on campus, and you can ask them one-to-one questions about anything.
I'd spoken to the lecturers, so it was really handy.
They were very friendly. They told us about what would be on the course.
I came in to the simulation centre. I was so impressed with the facilities.
I remember specifically my face sort of dropping at the radio studios and thinking how amazing this is.
It's a fantastic opportunity to visit the campus, visit the accommodation, and really get the vibe of the place.
I was set on it really. I was like, it's got everything that I need and it's close to home, which is probably the best thing for me.
The fact that I had such a good idea of what I was getting into before I came onto the course, I think was another contributing factor as to why I chose it.
I really recommend coming along and having a look.
I would very much suggest going to open days. They were really informative.
I just knew it was the right fit straight away.
You've got nothing to lose and perhaps a whole future to gain.